Galing pa yung ballpen.
Hi guys! So, makikita nyo dito sa mga clips na to, palagi lang kaming nasa bahay or sobrang busy lang namin at home. Routine namin during the weekdays kasi it's working from home and ang time lang namin na lumalabas is weekend or maliban na lang kung request kami or yayain kami ng mga friends namin na lumabas during the weekday. Pero gabi yun. Dahil may work kami ng 7 to 4. Just to give you a context, baka magtaka lang kayo na palagi lang kaming nasa bahay. It's Wednesday already today, and medyo naging productive naman so far ang week natin so far from Monday to Wednesday. Marami nang natapos na work. May pang gagawin for the rest of the work week. Pero I can say na we had a productive week. Makikita nyo kung gano'n siya ka-usual lang or ka-common lang ngayong araw namin. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang weeks or katulad ng mga days ng ibang tao na lumalabas, meeting people, ganyan. Lagi lang kami nandito sa bahay. Kami kaming nagagawa. And we still manage to be productive at home. Showing na siya. Tama yung time slot. May friend kasi kami na nag-work doon. So, inask namin siya kasi hindi kami maka-purchase ng online ticket. So, yung mga dadaanan lang tayo before tayo pumunta ng SM. And hopefully, hindi packed yung parking. Kasi usually, weekday, hindi naman siya masyadong busy yung SM. Siyempre, meron talagang mga days na hindi natin masasabi or hindi natin maano na baka maraming tao dahil nga meron pang mga movies ng MMFF. So, anong masasabi mo sa The Housemaid?
Sobrang ganda niya.
Yes.
Sobrang unexpected. So, hindi ko kasi nabasa yung book.
So, magkaiba kami kasi ako, nabasa ko yung book and siya hindi. So, I tried not to, spoil as much as possible kung anong mangyayari and grabe. Parang na-justify talaga nila yung kung bakit sila yung casting sa acting. Basta panoorin nyo na lang. It was good. It was more than what we expected. And sana marami pang Frida books na i-remake or gawing movie. Uwi na kami. Kasi medyo it's a lot to take in. It's a lot to process yung mga napanood namin. Pero it was really a good. Ikaw, i-rate mo siya?
Siyempre 10. 10.
Oo, 10.
10 siya.
Actually, 10. Ang expect ko lang na i-rate ko dyan mga 7. Kasi nga, usually kapag book to movie, nadi-disappoint. So, since Friday ngayon, makikipag-socialize naman kami sa mga tao kasi palagi na lang kami nasa bahay. Punta kami ng Clark. Hindi ko pa sure kung saan dun kasi hindi pa nakaka-decide yung mga friends namin na mas familiar sa Clark or mas frequent mag-lilibot sa Clark. Susunduin muna namin yung dalawa sa SM and then meet namin yung isa pa naming friend na manggagaling naman sa work since nag-work siya sa Clark or sa Angeles, I think.
Ay, landscape sa'yo. Ay, pala. Sir, pwede lang kasi DJI sponsor us. Diba?
Ang fresh niya naman! Binigagano'n mo paano? Okay lang naman.
Bad vibes sa akin.
Like samurai.
That's its purpose. Like parang action camera talaga siya for POV shots, ganyan. Ito naman, pero parang low light siya lang. Yun yung downside niya, hindi siya maganda sa low light. Yun lang yung sabi nila. Meron siyang factions na parang pwede ka mag-film ng ganyan, pero file. This is our cake, tas manifestation.
Una, more travels with the wife.
Sana all my wife.
More money, syempre.
my wife.
More time with friends and family. Ito yung favorite ko eh. Big bike. Specifically XSR 700 o kaya
Yes, manifesting for you.
CB 650R.
We're gonna harap it there. Yeah.
Manifesting inner peace, more travels, bigger ref. Pwede mag-English ba? More money, more savings.
Yes.
Go back to postgrad. Upgrade car. HK with bata.
Yes.
Home in Pampanga. More projects to work on at my corporate job.
Yes. Sobrang specific na manifestation yun, no? So, this 2026, I manifest more travels and then to land a job that I will truly love. And then more financial growth and prosperity. And then career growth and stability in all aspects. Alam mo, So 2026, yung manifestation ko is best version of myself, career and opportunities after graduation, financial abundance, travel, and masurround ng love, freedom, and peace. Yay!
Female.
Say mo talaga. Yay! You manifest, it will all happen. Picturean ko nga.
Today, karoon lang kami ng konting, may mga konti lang kaming na binili. Nagkulang kami doon sa grocery namin last Sunday ba dahil? We had a very slow day today. Nag-lunch lang kami with our friends. Dumating si Marco and si Lorraine. Natulog sa amin si Ruth last night. Hindi na kami nakapag-update kasi sobrang pagod na namin last night. We had a very productive morning. Ako, may mga emails akong sinagot and si Allison, nakapag-workout siya for a good 3 hours. We're off to our next stop and last stop before going home, which is mag-take out ng food. We usually take out food or order food sa labas kapag medyo wala kaming time or kapag gusto lang namin na may ibang food na kainin kasi nga mostly ang food namin is prepared na siya from the weekend and iniinit na lang namin siya. Medyo mabilis na rin kasi kaming ma-over. I mean, I don't know if sa age ba yun or dun sa nature of work na meron kami. Actually, si Allison before, very outgoing talaga siya. And siguro nahawa siya sa akin na gusto ko lang manahimik sa bahay. Minsan, kahit nasa bahay kami, magkaiba kami ng ginagawa. Kasi nga, for me, very important din na meron kaming me time for the both of us.